Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my December kit lineup, and this is the last video for my channel on November this year, because we're going to be doing over 25 videos in December. First to the 25th will be a video every day, and then we'll obviously still have some stuff until New Year's. So I'm gearing up for my big video season. So I hope you come and hang out with me all December. Don't forget to subscribe for that. But otherwise, let's have a look at my December kit lineup, which is Christmas. It's all Christmas. Now I don't have I don't have my kit for New Year's Eve, but I will be using my resolutions art that I did this year, and I'm picking up the one from SPC. Yeah, so because it kind of straddles both. It's the last week of December, but yeah, I'm afraid I can't show it to you in this haul, but I will have it in my like whole shebang. It'll be in my sticker haul that's on Christmas Day usually. So I hope you enjoy me talking about it then. But that is what I'm using for New Year's Eve, at least in my main planner. I don't know if the same week will be in the new one. I haven't checked. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so I'm just saying that's missing now. So let's show you what I already have, which is all my proper Christmas kits. So I am starting Christmas the week before using the Winter Wonder Shop from Caress Press. So I showed you that in the November kits. But let's get into the first week of December here, December 2nd through the 8th. And this week is when the Stormlight Archive Wind and Truth, the 5th book in the series, comes out. The series is supposed to be 10 books, but the first 5 books are like one finished arc. So I had to celebrate that, and this perfect mystery came out called Winter Bookshop in September. I realized I drew this, and then Brando Sanderson, who wrote Wind and Truth, announced the date was going to be December 7th, I believe. So I was like, perfect. I have the perfect kit for that because it's both Christmas and it's also books and reading. So this is what I'm using for that week to mark Wind and Truth coming out. So yeah, super pretty. Also, you know, a little bit more traditional, but I like how it has the teal as well. And I'll try and bring in the Christmas books. We'll see how I go, because I think I'll just get a reformat next year and use it when it comes out and reuse this with like the normal winter books, but I probably will bring in the Christmas just to make it a bit more Christmassy with those options. It's so warm and cozy. Yeah, so love all of these patterns. And perfect dark washi for the foil that I want to bring in. So that was the mystery, and then I did get some add-ons. I got another lot of the Fashion People. I got the pattern boxes. I also have some quotes in here, so I could use these as well. And I got the second page of doodles. And I'm going to pair with this Champagne Lights. I believe the snow bundle came with the mystery, and I thought I might as well keep that in this. I do like the snow bottom bougie boxes. One of the snow, stars, and fireworks, probably the only ones I really use in terms of fun delays. So I'm fine with those in there. I got all the Champagne Light goodness. I'm also pulling in these little Christmas icons that I'll be marking every day for my Planmas videos. I also have my other lot of icons that are in Champagne Lights and some more scripts, just in case. I just put all my Champagne Lights in there. I also have my Hull Reinforcers. I'm just going to use these sparkly confetti ones. And then I have 2 things from Planner Hannah and her sparkly gold. I have a quote, and this is from the last book, Rhythm of War. But there will be sunshine again, that is truth. I promise you, Kaladin, you will be warm again. And I love it because it's like works for both winter, but also it's a quote for the Stormlight Archive, which I love. And then I also have some other quotes here. And these are all from Yes, these are all from Stormlight Archive, and I will be putting all of them throughout. I will have a repeat then of You Will Be Warm Again, so maybe I won't use that one. But we have Journey Before Destination, we have The Moments We Spent With Each Other, The Only Things That Do Matter, and If I Must Fall, I Will Rise Each Time a Better Man. So some awesome fonts from Stormlight Archive, which I'm not ready to finish up this arc of the story. I feel like it's going to be very emotionally damaging, but we have a beautiful kit to mark that it comes out. Then the next week, December 9th through the 15th, we are going the complete opposite way, and we are using this groovy Christmas set. This is Christmas Cowgirl from Caress Press. And it's kind of wild and wacky. In the middle, you're going to find I have like traditional bookending my two wacky kids kind of thing. So I just really, yeah, I thought that was really fun and cute. And I do love to have some bright Christmas when I can. So look how fun that is. I might try and put the red in the center though, so I don't use as much of it, because it's a lot of red. It's a big red, but it's super fun and pretty. I'm also going a bit wacky with my foil here. I'm using this sparkly pink foil from SPC in her Confetti 2. You can see it there. This is a chunky sparkly foil. So we'll have two sparklies together, but you can see the big sparkle chunks there. And this pink I thought looked really good with the pink in the kit. And I thought I might lighten it up and make it a bit, you know, a bit more feminine and pretty, like as with the pink. But I am going to pull in some silver just to counteract it a little bit. The bottom washi that I have here is pink, so I didn't really want to do pink on pink. So I pulled out this gingerbread washi from Planet Choco as like a silver. And then I have a couple of full boxes from SPC that I'll just add in as well. I have my silver icons for Christmas for Planmas. I have all of my other silver icons, so I thought I would mix and match the pink icons with the silver icons, especially as one of the colors will be pink of the boxes. And I also have these header overlays, which I thought would be fun little extras from Simply Watercolor Co. and Sadie stickers that I still had in my collection. So that's just going to pump up and add a little brightness to that sparkly pink. And also so I can use those icons for Planmas, to be honest. But then there's also the bottom washi issue, so I think that works everything out for that kit. Then we have December 16th to the 22nd, and this one was hard. In the end, with all the Christmas kits that I had left over in my collection, I decided, you know what, I'm just going to do this one. And hopefully I don't regret the foil. I couldn't really decide on the foil, so I'll show you that in a second. But this is Deck the 90s, and I would say that this isn't like traditional colors because, as you would have seen in my haul, I said that these are like Christmas light colors. So I don't know if I'm going to try and pull in all the other extra colors. I could. Maybe I could do like, well, there's two extra colors. So maybe, again, I try and minimize the red by bringing in the two other colors, so there's actually like not as many double days. We will see. I think it'd be fun to like just have one day in these other extra colors. So we bring in the pink and the darker green. At least the pink for sure. But yeah, this is like the 90s themed nostalgic art with Santa and the doodles. I don't know what boxes I'm choosing from this, to be honest. They're all pretty fun. But yeah, as I said, like I feel like this isn't traditional. This is like fun, bright Christmas. So you know, we're gonna have two traditionals in between outside of these like fun, creamy middles. So what I'm doing with the foil bundle is I'm gonna be mixing red with gold. So I don't want it too much red, but I feel like a touch of red would be really nice in here. Like the bottom washi, I kind of want to do a red bow to go with this red tartan, and the red bow will go on the green. I just like that better. So I've got this sparkly red from SPC and the Confetti 2. I'll show you that it's got the chunky sparkle again. And I do prefer sparkly red because I feel like it really pops, especially in these slides. So we're going to do that. We're going to do the red, but this is going to be like accents. And the main base will be this Jingle Bells Gold from Caress Press. And we'll use the just gold bougie boxes with that. Could possibly bring in this bottom washi over the tartan maybe, but yeah, we're going to bring in some fun gold as well as the gold Christmas icons for Planmas. And then we're going to bring in this like the red as well as a fun touch. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and balance those two out, but I feel like gold, like the red kind of worked, but then I didn't want too much red. So I feel like there's gold touches throughout, especially on the presents. So I was like, okay, we'll do gold. We will do gold. So hopefully those two kit spreads turn out with their foil. We shall see. Okay, and then for the week of actual Christmas, December 23rd through the 29th, I'm using Vintage Noel. As I said here, like I sandwiched these traditional, more muted color kits. So, yeah, I was going to do this, but then I put in this, because I decided not to use. Maybe actually this could work. Actually, no, I'm going to put that back in my collection for another time because I'm using matte bronze with this Vintage Noel for Christmas week. Yeah. I just really felt like doing this one, and it's like wintry and snowy, which it should be. Maybe. I don't know. We shall see. It's always a mystery in Helsinki if it's going to snow at Christmas. I think most of the time since we've been here, it has snowed at least on Christmas Day itself. Not that it's been like snowy beforehand, but it did snow on Christmas. Versus when we were living up north in Oulu, and it's just like it snowed full on in October and didn't go away. So I'm going to pair this with Mistletoe from Caress Press in the matte bronze foil. One of my favorite foil bundles from Caress Press. I just love Mistletoe, and it's like the perfect classy design for this kit. And then again, I have all these matte bronze icons to bring in, and I also have the Christmas ones for the end of Planmas. So that is the last thing I have to show you for my December kits, because I don't have resolutions in. So I apologize for that, but yeah, I think that should be good and be good transition. I'm not sure if there's going to be the New Year's Eve week in my other planner, so I'm not sure what I'm going to use for that one. So we'll wait and see. But that is everything I've got for December. And you'll see a couple of these spreads during Planmas. But I hope you like this. Let me know if we're twinning at all. I feel like I've got these are all new kits for this year. And I drew 3 of them, which always makes me feel bad. But let me know if you're using any of these. There's a high likely chance that we are because these are all new, but let me know, especially this one because the cowgirl was so fun. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially to join me in Planmas on the 1st of December. But otherwise, I will see you at Planmas. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.